Hi. Before we get into the 3 steps on how to choose your friends, it is important to understand why choosing your friends is a very significant factor on the path of you becoming your best you. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one every Wednesday. If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and have them join us on Howell Consultations, the how-to to being true to you. By the way, have you downloaded your free positive affirmations screensaver? Click the link below for your free download and let us help you have better days every day. So why is choosing your friends important? Choosing your friends is important because without you realizing it, certain people can misguide you, and often some have no positive intentions for your life or even their own. This is important for you to come to terms with because this truth is often masked by smiles and disingenuous acts. Often, because of our state of mind at the time, we accept people into our lives that have no reason to remain there. The right people around you can motivate you, encourage your happiness, and help you in various ways throughout your life, while the wrong friends can encourage feelings of helplessness, confusion, and low morality without us even realizing it. The people you choose to be around help shape your personality, the way you think, the way you speak, and the way you perceive the world. The truth is, your choice in friends reflects the person you are today and will in turn affect the person you will become tomorrow. Therefore, knowing to decipher from these people is a major factor on the path of you becoming your best you. So without further ado, here are the steps on how to choose your friends. Step 1. Be conscious. To be conscious means being aware of and responding to your surroundings appropriately. Be aware of how people express themselves to you. Always pay attention to how people treat others and how they speak of others. Be conscious of the context and the situation that you are meeting new people. This does not mean to scrutinize and to investigate everyone and everything. This simply means to be more aware of the difference between actions and intentions in situations. Being conscious includes being wary of your own presence and its influence on what is around you in the present time. Ask yourself, how does your presence balance out with the people currently around you? Being mindful of these elements will help you make better choices regarding who will continue to be a part of your reality and those that will remain in just that moment. Step 2. Be mindful of the halo effect. It is important to be wary of the halo effect. The halo effect is defined as the tendency for an impression created in one area to influence opinion in another area. The halo effect is a type of immediate judgment bias where you will assume ambiguous and sometimes fictitious information about a person based on other concrete information. For example, this person was a great student. Therefore, this person must be a very trusting friend to have. Always be mindful to examine the people that you surround yourself with using your own personal evaluation methods, which can be based on your own morals, values, and principles. Always be mindful that you are not in control of any one person, and everyone is free to their own thoughts, choices, and actions. Always be mindful of the halo effect and what the influence of a first impression can cause. Step 3. Choose. As children, we often depended on our parents or our superiors' judgment when choosing to be around a person or not. However, it is imperative to come to the realization that the choice is ultimately your own. Oftentimes, because our friends may have been from childhood, we've grown up to develop attachments with them that don't necessarily impact our lives in a positive or beneficial way. Always remember that you are experiencing the truth of your life on your own, and you do not owe anyone your time. Knowing to make the choice can be the difference between a successful life and one of ultimate complacency. Keep in mind that there are people in this world today that would move mountains just to be around you. Settling for anything less is a choice. Sometimes we find ourselves missing out on otherwise great opportunities because the people we are around have a closed mind towards new experiences, and we let those people guide our actions. This can impact your life in a negative way because you start to become an extension of them. As said by Dapper Dan, a weak friend is more dangerous than a bad enemy. And that can apply in a variety of ways. Always know that in this lifetime, life can be lived or simply survived. The choice is always your own. So that's it, people. Those are the 3 steps on how to choose your friends. Post a comment below and let people know how choosing your friends has benefited you. Like and share this video, and remember to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.